How you doing? Okay, you've made your beginner stencil. Maybe you might have a little more artistic skill and you want to liven up that basketball that you did for the novice or the beginner stencil. We're going to do a little bit more intricate. Take your piece of poster board or whatever you're using. Let's say you want to make that basketball look like it's on fire. Draw you some flames out. You can cut all the way off, or you can leave a little bit in here. This is a small piece of board. Yeah, I'm probably going to get a little overspray. Get your knife. I'm going to just cut it kind of crudely for you. Now you have two stencils. You can use one which is called a negative, which the space is negative, it's taken out, or you can use the positive, either one. Thank you.